No matter how careful you are, sometimes you just can't help making a mess. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a homemade DIY stain remover for common stains. We'll be using this solution on 3 common stains: ketchup, red wine, and coffee. As always, the sooner you attack a stain, the easier it is to get it out. And we suggest first doing a patch test on an inconspicuous spot to see reaction on darker clothes or on different types of fabric. For oil stains, check out our other video in the link above or in the description below. First, start with a small spray bottle. Next, add a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Then, add 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish detergent. Now replace the nozzle and give the solution a good mix. You want to spray directly onto the stain and saturate it. To maintain potency, only mix this solution when needed and in small batches, as the hydrogen peroxide starts losing effectiveness when exposed to light. So we don't recommend storing, even in dark containers. After spraying, let this sit for a few minutes. You may notice some of the stain has already disappeared. After a few minutes, rinse the garment in some clean water before giving it a good wash. This will also give you the opportunity to work in the solution a bit with your hands and rinse off any additional particles and residue from the stain. After a quick rinse, throw it in with your regular laundry for a thorough wash. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.